Welcome to today's video. We're gonna be working on the speed, but make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm gonna be announcing how to enter to win the front mount intercooler for the Speed 6. And yes, Speed 6 is in the garage now. Corvette's gone. Video on that coming soon. Anyway, let me go over what we're doing today. I still haven't figured out exactly what's wrong with this car, and there's kind of an issue right now. Most of the companies are shut down because of Corona, so the parts I was gonna order that maybe could fix it, I can't order, or they won't be open for another like 15 days or something crazy. Anyway, today we're just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna go ahead and install the side skirts. Should be pretty easy. I believe they just self-tapper on, so hopefully I don't have any problems there. This front one, holding up great. And then I got a bunch of Corvette crap that I need to clean up because it's just a mess. But I did get a few recommendations from you guys, and one of them said to recheck the ground wire. I re-sanded it again, and it still blows that fuse every time, so I don't know what the deal is. But check it out, guys. 100 fuses from Amazon, so we're gonna go till it stops blowing. So I don't have the side skirts at my house. I gotta run to the shop real quick, pick those up, and then we'll come back and put them on. Pretty chill day. Hope everyone's staying safe, by the way. Kia. Things are ripper. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. I can't wait till the Corvette's done or the speed's fixed. Just so I can have a ripper daily back. Something fast. Not saying this isn't fast, it's just not the fastest. It's really not that fast. We made it. Here's all the Corvette parts, by the way. I'm not gonna show you too much, but the side skirts are right here. Need to find the bolts. Hopefully that's enough self-tappers. That is a lot. Hopefully those hold these things on. 370 video coming soon, little sneak peek. Oh! And by the way, these are Aeroflow Dynamics, same company that made the front splitter. These are also CNC'd, and they're also powder coated black. So they should be super sturdy, and as long as these self-tappers hold them in, they should never come off. Perfect. Just got back. You guys wanna see what's up? Hey, where are you going? Say hi to the viewers. They love you. Yeah, he's hyped to see you guys. Anyway, now that we're back, I got them unloaded and they should look freaking fire. I kind of mocked them up a little bit. Hold on, I'll set them there for you. I don't know if you guys will really be able to tell, but they're gonna look insane. I'm pretty sure this is the passenger side. It's actually really nice out today. I think I'm just gonna pull outside and do this entire install. Oh, this is gonna be so spicy. So spicy. Like I said, I believe this one is passenger side because I think this cut off, this weird cut at the end is supposed to go on the back. I don't know, I'm just gonna send it. Oh man, this is gonna look incredible. Corona got me like
savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.
Me on the way to cash that $1,200 check from the government.
Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.
Alright, time to actually get this thing jacked up. Little jack review, guys. This thing absolutely rips. Probably the best jack I've ever bought. This jack is incredible. Super low, obviously I can go really, really far under the car. And it works great for this car, the Corvette, so we'll have to see how it works for like the 240 or something. Luckily I don't have to go under the car because it's kind of sketch having it jacked up on a hill like this. But this should give us plenty of room to, I guess we just drill into this plastic. Wow. Definitely will need some sort of measuring device if I want to do this somewhat accurately. So basically I'm going to find a reference point somewhere, like maybe I set the edge of this right here and see how far it sticks out. That way I don't have to really mark or measure because I know this will be pretty accurate unless my frame's a bent, but it shouldn't be. I'm doing this exactly like I just mentioned. Basically, like I said, the lip of this will sit right up against whatever these are. And I know they're straight because obviously it's the car, you know, it should be straight. With it sitting exactly on the inside of that, gives it just enough poke to match the front up there, which I can't show you. So yeah, that's the reference point we're gonna go with. I'm honestly just gonna start sending her home. This is gonna be an easy install. Ooh, first try. Don't do it, don't do it. Oh, couldn't resist. Boom, there she is. So I probably could have stuck it out a little bit more, but it looks like it's literally the same as this. I don't know. Anyway, let's get on the ground, see what it looks like. I put a lot of self-tappers in here, by the way. There's, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 self-tappers in here, so I don't think it's coming off anytime soon. But let's drop her down and take a peek. Oh, that scared me. Oh my gosh. Why don't I? Oh my gosh, that looks sick. Yes. I probably should have stuck it out more. That's okay. I'm leaving it for now because there's 14 self-tappers in there and I'm not redoing it. And I have a reference point for the other side. I think this was supposed to go up front now that I'm looking at it. I wish I would have stuck them out more, not gonna lie, but hey, it just adds a little bit to this thing. A little bit of aggression to the side now. Gotta get a rear diffuser. Hopefully soon, once all this is over. Anyway, yeah, that's fire. I gotta do the passenger side real quick, but front lip into the side splitters. Woo! Where's the diffuser? You guys basically saw the process of the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this driver's side out. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, we just got the driver's side on all the way. It's a little bit sketch when I tried to do the front because I had the jack in the driveway and it started rolling the whole car down the driveway, so that was kind of scary. I had to quickly loosen the jack handle so it'd lower. But yeah, look at this fire. It's really hard to tell on camera what these actually look like, but they look pretty freaking sick. I'm gonna pull out the garage here in a second. Hard park, so you guys can see it. The front splitter is my favorite, 100%. The sides, sick, but I think this car needs to go lower. Man, this thing is squirting everywhere today. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Woohoo! Wow, that looks so good. I do need to lower the rear now. I don't know why, but it kind of makes the rear look higher. Either way, it looks very good. I wish I was good at edits. I'd make a cool edit for you guys, but I suck. Well, I mean, that's kind of all I got for you guys today. There's nothing else for me to really do because I can't really order parts. This sucks. I'm sure it sucks for everyone else too. Crazy, weird time. And yeah, this car looks sick. Needs some love, care, compassion, but she'll be back. Well, I actually found something to do. Adam LZ posted a stay-at-home burnout challenge. So we're gonna go over to Anthony's and he's gonna do the burnout in his Corvette. Probably gonna do 4th gear, something crazy with some small tires on the back and just let it rip. So I figured I'd bring the camera along and record it, and it should be pretty lit. Okay, we just got to Anthony's. He's got a flat on the vet, so we're gonna put some baby little tires on her. Look at how slam that thing is. Wow, he was dragging side skirt. See guys, if this doesn't give you hope about my Corvette, then like, I don't know.
We're gonna put some brand new tires on for the challenge.
Speed's old tires. Where are they at? Oh, right here. Yeah, so these are the Speed's old tires, if you guys remember. They're 225s. Putting them on that thing. That thing has 265s on it right now. It's gonna roast them good. Speed tires getting repurposed for Anthony's vet. They going on good, Anthony?
No.
Old WD-40 action.
Little WD-40 to do the trick.
225 on a 9.5.
9.5.
That's not, it shouldn't be horrible, but it's definitely gonna be.
People are secrets on doing burnout competitions.
Well, I mean, the real secret would be some Steelies.
Oh yeah.
But we don't have any of those. Your stance point, huh?
Fuck yeah.
There's a segment I like to call Dumb Things with Anthony.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that stretch.
We can't find the adapter for the 1/2-inch impact, so.
I don't know why you don't run this at comps.
Spend all my money on tires. I can't afford an impact gun.
What's that? What's that?
What?
What's that thing on the ground right there?
That's Brandon's impact.
Behind the scenes on how to win Adam LZ's burnout comp.
Yeah,
What is that?
Rubber cement.
Don't get on your hands. Think it's a little excessive?
What do you mean? We gotta patch the tire. It's not sticking.
At all?
No.
Maybe that's the dry. Brandon, you think we're gonna win this? Or you think Anthony's not gonna do 6th gear?
This is a little segment I like to call burning tire patches with Anthony.
Bonfires with Anthony. Okay, this thing won't hold air, so we're doing 1 245 and 1 225. This is just going perfect. We're what? We've been here for an hour, just changing tires.
All right, light it.
Oh, you got it. Got the 225 speed tire, 245 whatever that came off of tire.
GTO.
GTO.
Drift GTO.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's kind of lit.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go do it. So we're getting ready to rip this Adam LZ burnout here in Anthony's Corvette.
What
What's up with the water bottles, huh?
Shut up.
I'm just gonna set the camera down and let her rip. Oh my god. Dude, that was a rip. That was a rip.
I didn't think the water helped at all.
It was just blowing
That was
chunks of
3rd
tire at me.
That was 3rd gear.
I don't even think you need 4th.
Should we try it 1 and 4?
Yeah, let's try it. Good Lord. Camera's covered in rubber. I can't believe you could even breathe in there.
Not the Corona, just tire smoke. Just a smoker's cough.
Sign it, Anthony. You gotta sign it. Yeah. There was people literally stopping on the road just to watch.
Were there?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
There was like 3 people.
Wasn't us, officer.
Nothing to see here. Well, hope you guys enjoy a little behind the scenes of Anthony's LZ burnout.
Wait, it almost didn't happen though. That's the sad thing.
Yeah, it almost didn't. It was close, but
Yeah. Thank God we had an extra 245 sitting around.
But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And after this clip is how to enter for the front mount intercooler. So just watch that. Okay, just got home. That was pretty lit burnout. But this is how you guys enter the front mount intercooler giveaway. You got to follow me on Instagram. Shoot me a DM that says front mount, drop a sub on the YouTube channel, and then comment done. Actually, you don't have to comment done. You can comment whatever you want because I'll see your name on my Instagram. And I'm basically gonna create a giant list and my notes on the computer. And I'll enter that list into a random name picker. And then we'll figure out who won. And I do have to say, if you're not in the United States, I cannot ship this out of the United States. So I apologize. But maybe we can figure something else out. So if you're not in the US, still enter. We'll figure something out. But anyway, that's how you enter. This is gonna go on for a few weeks while this quarantine still goes down. That way everyone has a fair chance to enter. But yeah, that's basically how you enter. So everyone, go enter right now. Do it right now. Click off this video and do it. See ya.